A task starts in one department, moves through several teams, and eventually reaches the customer. But what happens in between? For many organizations, that journey is not always visible, making it difficult to identify delays and inefficiencies. Business process modeling helps organizations visualize these processes and identify opportunities for improvement. In this video, we will explore what business process modeling is, why it is important, and how organizations use it to improve efficiency and business performance. What is business process modeling? Business process modeling, often called BPM, is the practice of creating a visual representation of how a business process works from start to finish. It helps organizations understand workflows, identify inefficiencies, and improve the way activities are performed across departments and teams. In simple terms, business process modeling creates a blueprint of how work moves through an organization. Why is business process modeling important? Business process modeling provides visibility into how work is performed and where improvements can be made. Some key important of BPM include: process visibility helps organizations understand how work flows across teams and departments. Improved efficiency identifies bottlenecks, delays, and unnecessary activities. Better communication creates a shared understanding of processes among stakeholders. Consistency supports standardized ways of working across the organization. Process improvement helps identify opportunities for optimization and innovation. Decision-making provides valuable insights for business and operational decisions. Key components of business process modeling. Every business process model contains key elements that help represent how work is performed. The key components include activities, tasks or actions that must be completed within the process. Events, triggers that start, interrupt, or complete a process. Decisions, points where different actions occur depending on specific conditions. Roles and responsibilities, individuals or departments responsible for carrying out activities. Process flow, the sequence that connects activities from beginning to end. Together, these components provide a complete picture of how a process operates. Common business process modeling techniques. Organizations use different techniques depending on the complexity of the process and the level of detail required. Some common techniques include flowcharts, simple diagrams that show process steps and decision points. BPMN, business process model and notation. A standardized modeling method widely used in business analysis and process management. Swim lane diagrams, process maps that show responsibilities across different teams or departments. Value stream mapping, a technique used to analyze the flow of activities and identify opportunities for improvement. Each technique helps organizations understand and improve business processes from a different perspective. How organizations use business process modeling. Business process modeling is used across industries to improve efficiency, support transformation, and strengthen operational performance. Common applications include process improvement initiatives, business analysis activities, workflow automation projects, digital transformation programs, compliance and quality management, customer service optimization. By understanding existing processes before making changes, organizations can reduce risks and improve outcomes. Business process modeling is not just about drawing diagrams. It is about understanding how work happens, identifying inefficiencies, and creating opportunities for improvement. When organizations gain visibility into their processes, they can make better decisions, improve efficiency, and deliver more consistent results. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on business analysis, process improvement, and professional skills.